Alright, so big up on yourself. And as always, thank you guys for supporting the channel. Alright, so welcome to the BTS, Richard Brown BTS. This is our next channel. This is our third channel. Richard Brown Films, Jamie Wood, and now Richard Brown BTS. We are in the parish of Portland. So we venture way from Westmoreland, almost 5 hours drive. So we are doing a movie up here. Forward man! We are doing a movie in the Portland side to see if we can try something different, get some of the scenery involved in the movie and thing. So I want to big up on yourself, continue to support what we are doing. We just have freestyle, I get some stuff done. We have a storyline, we are work with it and execute it. So keep on supporting the movement. We are showing some BTS, alright? So you come and shop and walk down back. Ready? Alright, so we just asked them which part we did them, so we're there one place named Red Hazel. So if when you're watching the BTS and you're from Red Hazel or you know anybody from Red Hazel, you can just leave a comment in the comment section, you see me? Pinky, are you waiting for me to start film? Come over here so you film to the shop.
So Pinky, you buy nothing for me?
She don't have nothing.
No, nothing. Why am I do that?
Alright, walk me straight in the shop here.
Me?
Yeah.
Green.
Yeah, like no palma, no mascara.
Not good? Not good, eh? Yeah, man, good. Close it up, man. After action, right? And action.
Jimmy. Jimmy.
Yeah.
Come here, there.
And action.
Jimmy.
Yeah. Come on.
You know, yes, now I see too. That's true.
Next one, let me tell you this. Sit down and start. And why you come on, ready? Action. Right. Alright, good.
Alright, so basically the answer what should I cook so? We start some. Where does cook number one here? Where them again? Virgin. Mary. Call her Mary.
Virgin Mary.
Whatever I'm virgin, Mary.
No, call her Virgin.
Virgin?
Virgin.
Call her Virgin. Doesn't matter.
Why you're virgin? No, I'm not best friend. Meet them.
So messy.
Meet them.
Yeah.
But put back water in the fridge. You never had water before.
Oh.
Put back water in the fridge. Make sure you get up on the
We can't talk about people in the blood. We just beat in the movement.
Can't go free.
Why you not talk? When you say something here for us, then let's get the panel for you. You know what I mean?
When she answer.
Yeah.
Your answer then.
Alright, action. But when you eat, man, when I eat, man, ready to action.
Why virgin I learn to put in my food there?
Not a teacher, you know. And big chef.
After the teach me.
I already know the teacher.
Alright.
No, I can't camera.
Look at the camera.
No, pretend like say nobody in there. I don't wanna.
Alright.
When?
Look easy, man. Just pretend the camera is not here. You know what I mean? Just come now, man.
Ready now?
Ready now?
Action. Now this time I fridge will go clean. See, I'll just take a bite, put it in the fire, back in the fridge. Action. Alright, good.
Alright.
Alright, so you want the friend come in?
Your friend come in. Wait again. Wait a minute.
Well, yeah, original copy of the pink.
Oh, you think for real?
I want money.
Huh?
No?
What do you mean, bro?
B-shop.
B-shop?
Hey, I was just saying a while ago, she had the original pinky.
The original pinky now?
Yes.
Until they change the year? When they change the year, is that the hairstyle that was keep? Or you change it sometime?
Are you
When we will change it. But when they have on your body hair, it's pinky.
Yeah.
So now what would them call you? What do I call you?
Whatever. Blue,
Yeah.
purple,
They call it bluey.
red,
Ready?
black.
Green Blanny.
Yeah, awful.
When you down to the ground.
Hold on.
Alright? Yeah. Step out of the make put water there. Your water?
Yeah.
Huh?
No. I feel water. Not my water.
You what have I
Him not drink water with ice. Him not drink ice.
You put your friend. Ready now?
Hold on, let's not sit down.
Already?
Turn on the light span. Hold on, go up. Turn the buckle. Turn. Spin. Put it back. Okay, see this.
Already?
Pinky.
Yo.
One brownie.
One.
Put her some food.
Don't move. I can't say you no food there.
Alright, no man, no answer that. Like, this is my eat man, first step in.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You said I put him follow mine, you know, because I don't remember that I'm hungry, you know. Simple as that.
Alright, so see, I think I'll take it now.
Put it back.
Yeah. Ready.
You say Pinky, me have something to tell you, you see?
I want that done.
You just make sure some food and tell you.
You ever mix up, come tell me what I want.
I tell you, man, big drama. You want to hear about it?
Cut. Alright.
Alright, so yeah, more you say now, more you say. You know, so I don't road with the girl. And me I tell her, so right now, I'm hungry, I just know, say, food up here. The man just tell me. Then I come up and talk to you. But like your projection advice, I can't hear it from you, so good. Clarity is good, people want to hear what you say.
Alright, I'm catch you say back what you say. No man, I share food. I'm catch you say back what you say.
What you just say.
You say Pinky, me have some mix up with tell you, you know.
Yeah.
I don't main road and make just come
So when you
up.
talk to me, look over, to a pinky there and look up where you are. Let's take it
Look
at
one
that.
thing.
Girl, that's
No,
what I'm
relax.
taking.
And take your time, man. So yes, here. Alright, take up.
Me say Pinky, me have some mix up to tell you.
I want one.
I down the road, me there, me know see you cook, that's why I come up here.
Serious and that I mix up.
No, another time mix up. Me soon tell me I hold it seat, me just share some food.
Alright, come.
Yes. So Pinky, I will cook.
Cut. Come on, person.
Me cook.
Step back. Fire, don't me see you.
Step back again.
Alright, so maintain. No laughing. No laughing? No, say happy but no laughing.
Laugh.
Ready.
Ready now? Serious, like a judge. But not serious like a judge.
Come back.
Alright?
Ready.
Oh, nice.
So Pinky, how who cook?
A virgin cook master.
Food look good too. Yeah, taste
Yes,
it.
good too.
You know, say me a big chef long time.
Thank you. Oh, cook. Come on, man.
You pick it up? I'll come back. You mean was it too fat? I got too fat.
Alright. Turn on like this. Yeah, show meat and then.
You walk away with food and look straight back.
Alright. Alright.
So Pinky, who cook?
A virgin cook man.
Food look good.
Tastes good too.
You know, say me a big chef long time.
Alright. Get up.
Did you get up again?
Yeah, let's take this.
Yeah, okay, just
Alrighty.
Pinky, a big mix up, me have to tell you. Big mix up.
Alright. Hold on. Spinky a big mix up, man. Big mix up.
That not look good?
See me, man.
You know what to say.
That's everything. So Pinky a big mix up like that.
Yeah, that one over there.
Check that inside.
Alright. No smile, no looking at the camera.
Just tell her until more right.
Come on, yeah. Same thing we did say last time.
That big mix up.
Yeah.
So Pinky, big mix up, me have to tell you going down the road. Big mix up.
I want one.
May I tell you?
So you can't tell me now?
You never tell me have to taste the food first.
Alright, taste it.
You don't know, say me young Jerry, me just come here.
You say Mary, I take my girl, man.
I said him a one, a lie. A lie.
So you don't tell him you're going to something a virgin.
Know yourself, you know.
Why food tastes good when I lie?
I'm a big chef, man.
Bro, you're not going with things.
Long time I'm a big chef, you know.
So Pinky, me know you're say.
You should have said some virgin as well. You should say brownie.
Who are you?
Bucking man. No man, bucking no man. That's good. You tell her to know, you just walk in I see him, listen.
And then
And
right,
then,
and then go
right, and then come up, walk back what I see. So that's how you want it, alright?
Yeah.
Ready. Other than that, people are like a fine sound. Because that's also like how we think you should go to sound. Alright, so when we tell you to go back at the door, you want to stop first and make it your light and test it first. You can probably also make up. We don't kick on or you don't get out that door. Alright, so when we tell you to wait, let me focus here first. Alright, go back at the door and then come across the next. Then you know what you make a call and say?
Yeah, I can say, yes.
We have to actually pretend like you actually dial the phone.
Yeah, man, yeah, there, you know.
And then lock the screen and then say, babe, whatever. Well, no, fires have come straight out that outside. If you go straight out that from the veranda. Let's go back, walk right now, walk right now. Just walk right across the fridge.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, out that veranda.
Pass on with my grandma.
Right. Just turn, face the door first. Come on, set like I said earlier.
So?
Right, let you listen. And actually no. Do you feel like you're looking at the camera? Is it right?
Yeah, I'm looking at the camera. Look again.
Yeah, I'm looking straight at the camera. Go
You
on.
looking at camera?
Straight at the camera. Go on. Right, so don't look at the camera. Me too.
Yeah.
And action. Alright, good. So let's go straight for everyone now. Come back. You can probably come right there.
Over there?
No, right there. You can probably, when you stand up right there, so no, then you can probably keep shots or something. Alright, no, come on this side. I'm gonna like this side.
Over here, sir?
No, man, right, what you did? So when you walk out, you can walk come right there, so. Come back. You can walk come right there, so. And come make the call.
Yeah.
Then you can cut and catch it now. So walk, come from it, so. Step out of the light.
Yes, sir.
Stand right. Come back in and walk.
They have a rule for the complex everyone, no nights. You
Could come.
Yeah, man, enough, man. And then to me, it's alright. You want to come inside, Richie? Yeah. A video, man. Yeah, man. So you see watch all of the movie them on the channel?
Yeah. I'm gonna stop watching.
So where you guys from?
Town.
Town?
Yeah, but we're still on
Alright, yeah, man. So up here for 3D I do a movie.
Oh.
Alright. So you can watch this on the BTS channel.
Come on. Like only Rasta man not eat chicken. So eat the jerk chicken, drink some cane and ginger.